Hello everyone, this is Dr. Clark, the Center for Hormone Health and Wellness. And a question we often get asked is how does the estrogen or estradiol pellet, how does it actually help you? Okay. Now we talk about hormone replacement all the time. This is what we do here at the Center for Hormone Health and Wellness. And I often talk about testosterone, how safe it is, can fix so many symptoms. But when women start having symptoms around menopause, some of the most common symptoms they complain of are night sweats, hot flashes, and also vaginal dryness. Those are three big symptoms. And so subsequently then all the other ones that testosterone kind of covers aren't covered so well for those three. So estradiol, and when I say estrogen, I'm typically talking about estradiol. Humans make three types of estrogen. Estradiol is the most important one. And when I also say estrogen, I'm specifically saying bioidentical estrogen, even if I don't say that word in front of it. That's what I'm referring to. Bioidentical means just it looks exactly the way your body made it throughout your entire lifetime, and your body then knows what to do with it, what message it should receive, and how to take care of the breakdown products as well. So estrogen, estradiol, what symptoms does it really cover? Well, it's those major ones that women often complain of around menopause, and that's night sweats, hot flashes, vaginal dryness. That's estrogen right there. And most of the other symptoms covered are generally covered by testosterone. So just to kind of clarify that, it's estrogen that covers night sweats, hot flashes, vaginal dryness, and we typically then try to use the smallest dose of estrogen that'll fix those symptoms. Testosterone, we get more leeway with. You want more information or interested in talking to us about hormone replacement for you? Give us a yell here at the Center for Hormone Health and Wellness. The phone number 757-223-0940, or you can look us up online, centerforhormonehealthandwellness.com. You take care, have a great day. We'll talk again soon.